Alright, here it is. 2020 TRD Camry. Look at that exhaust. Look at the tips. These are 235 40 19s. Side appraisal. Nice interior. Let's hop in real quick, check it out. We'll do a startup on this. Oh, you can definitely hear the exhaust. Look at that startup. TRD. Put the hazards on. See if apps pop up. There we go. It's got SOS. Check out the engine. Black roof. Standard headlights. Alright. Alright. Let's get the 3.5 V6, 301 horsepower, 2020. Still get you 31 on the highway, 25 combined, 22 city. 31. Black roof is $500 option, metallic. Clean the rear, black window trim. No weather floor mask. You're at 32. Pretty cool car. Still standard SC taillights. No LEDs in the back. You saved money on that. You have a diffuser, looks like. A little bit more aggressive. You can hate it or love it, spoiler. The hood. Nice big V6. 3.5. Doesn't look like it comes with a TRD intake. Not that I see. 0820. Didn't tell us you. Low clearance, keep slow. The front lip. No fog lights. Very interesting. Getting the sticker. Alright. Trying to get all the curves. Very cool.